In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access notifications. Now tap on App Notifications available at the top. Then you can finally click on Most Recent and tap on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Now by clicking on this switcher next to any app, you can block notifications from it. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can even click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!